In this video, I will show you how to use the Bildeform addon in an easy and efficient way to generate displacement maps. This addon offers a simplified alternative and with better results compared to the conventional method in Blender. A great advantage of Bildeform is that it allows you to reuse any kind of geometry, either created in Blender or imported from other formats. For our example, we will work with an imported figure, we organize our workspace, and we will start using the addon. The first thing we do is adjust the camera, always on the axis, and once adjusted the camera, we select the target that would be the object. We can do it with the eyedropper, adjust the resolution. I will leave it in 2048 by 2048 and with a focal length of 120. Already here we can see how the figure and our displacement map is adjusted. The next step is to choose the method and generation modes that can be used in the addon. We recommend using method 2 along with the generation mode called kernel approach. With this, we are ready to create our bas relief. Here I will adjust the rotation. We can put it in the position that we like. Having this ready, just click on the Generate Bas Relief button. And that's it. It generates a preview of our displacement map. Here, we can preview between two color spaces. Each one will give us different results. Even so, we have a much better result that we will not get by the conventional method, as I show in the following image. I will change the color space to RGB, and as we can see it, generates a bas-relief with a more natural geometry and a more uniform displacement with the plane. In this case, we can adjust the distance to our liking to see different types of results, and be able to see if we like it or want to change rotation. In case we don't like the way it looks, and we want to rotate the model, we can delete the bas relief created. It returns us to the model, and we can use it again. Here, for example, I will change some things, and I regenerate the bas relief. The addon shows us again the preview, and as we can see, the result has changed. Bildeform offers more detail than the conventional method. If we want to explore with other color profiles, we can explore some of them here and select them, but in the addon panel, the two profiles that offer the best results are offered. Now, if we don't want to use it on a plane, but rather on another geometry, like a coin for example, in this case we will export the height map. Let's see how it is done. We remove and hide the current elements, and create the example with a new geometry using the exported height map. Now, with the example coin created, first, we go to New and open our image. Here, we modify certain parameters, like displacement, and adjust the scale as needed. We also switch to UV mapping to avoid any issues with the geometry, and set the mapping mode to clip for a more precise outcome. Once these settings are in place, we increase the effect strength and recalculate the normals to ensure everything is aligned correctly. At this point, we can start experimenting with the adjustments to suit our preferences. As you can see, this addon is very flexible in terms of what we can do. It quickly generates a displacement map that we can apply to any kind of geometry. And here we have the final result of this example. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find it useful.